Hello, my name is Deepal and today's video topic is abstraction and interface in Java. So abstraction, first one is abstraction in Java. So abstraction is a process of hiding a implementation details and showing only functionally to the user. Another way it is show only Another way it is show only essential things to the user and hides the internal details. So a class in which declared with the abstract keyword, it known as abstract class in Java. So it can have abstract and non-abstract method. It can have constructor and a static method also. It can have a final method which will force the subclass, which will force the subclass not to change the body of the method. In abstraction, first point is a abstraction class. So abstraction class is which is a declared abstraction is known as a abstract class. It can have a abstract and non-abstract method. It needed to be extend, and its method implemented cannot be instantiated. And abstraction method in which declared abstract is does not implementation is known as abstraction method. So these are the information about abstraction in Java. Second one is a interface in Java. So Java interface is a blueprint of the class. It has a static, constant, and abstract method. The instance interface is a Java is mechanism to achieve abstraction. There can be only abstract method is a method in the Java interface, not functionally body, and it is used to achieve abstraction and multiple inheritance in Java. So it cannot be instantiated by just like a abstract class. A Java interface also represents the ISA relationship. So to declare the interface, some reasons are there. So it is used to achieve abstraction. Second one is by interface we can support the functionally of multiple inheritance. It can be used to achieve loss coupling, and these are the information about interface. Thank you.